Hello, dear fans. How are you doing today? As for me, I'm doing great. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to secure your Facebook account. Few days ago, I received a call from a friend in Nigeria and one from Cameroon saying their Facebook account has been hacked by hackers. So, I found it necessary to do this video for you, my fans, to secure your Facebook account, which is very important. So for that, we are going to enter our Facebook account properly. Now in our Facebook account, we are going to click on the menu at the right hand side. So into the menu, we are going to click on setting and privacy, and into the setting and privacy, we are going to select setting. Now into this menu, I'm to explain to you four different tips, four different ways in order to well secure your Facebook account. So firstly, we are going to enter in personal information. So into our personal information, we're going to enter contact info. So you select contact info. Here you have the possibility to see your number and your email account. For those that doesn't have your email account attached to their number, is now a means for you, or an advantage for you to attach your email account into your Facebook, because it's very important in order to secure your account. So first, we are going to enter into our contact. Now into our contact, you have the possibility to see that who can see this number. So if I click on it, you will see that Facebook gives us the possibility to leave our number to be viewed by the public, friends, or only me. So it is preferable for you to choose only me, so as to keep your number private for those hackers or your friends who are susceptible to hack your account not to do that. So I've already done that in my phone, so we are going to click on back. And it will be the same for the email account. So secondly, we are going to enter security and login. Into security and login, you will see the first option where you are logged in presently. I'm logging in Douala. So if I click on see all, now you will see that the different sessions I had been connected, I've just deleted them. It's very important, because when a hacker try or has locked into your account, when you click here, you have the possibility to see that hacker. If the hacker is perhaps in Paris, France, or in Washington, USA, or in another country, here you have the possibility to see that someone has logged into your Facebook account. Or here you can also see the different sessions you have been connected to other devices. It can be your laptop or another phone that has been stolen by thieves. If in those phones you did not disconnected your session, here you have the possibility to see that those sessions are being open. So if they are being open, other people like hackers or your close friends or anybody has access to your Facebook account to publish anything or to do anything that can maybe affect the government, and you see that they are going to look for you. So in order to prevent all those actions, you just click on log out of all those sessions. Immediately you click there, it's going to disconnect all those sessions automatically. So for me, I've already done that. You just follow the steps. You click on log out from that. Now secondly, you are going to activate the two-factor authentication. Here Facebook is going to ask for a code if we notice an attempted login from an unrecognized device or browser. Here is very important. When you activate it, even if you are the one to connect into another device or another browser, it's normal that Facebook sends you a code. If you are the one, you just hit yes. It's very important because a hacker or your close friend can try to access to your account. They're going to send you a code and also ask you a question whether you are the one to connect to your device or not. If you are not the one, you just simply click on no to disconnect the person. Now, thirdly, we are going to choose the option, this option that is choose 3 to 5 friends to contact if you are logged out. Here in this menu, there is a possibility for you to contact your close friends on Facebook for them to give you the code that Facebook has sent you in case you are unable to connect to your Facebook account. It can happen that you have forgotten your password or even your email or your number. It's a possibility. You just contact these people. Facebook is going to send them a code. Now in this video I cannot just show you that. That will be another video. I'm going to make a video on how to do that. So for me, I've already chosen. When you will arrive here, you are going to see them add a number. You just click on it, then you select, then you validate. That will be obvious. But before accessing, they're going to ask you your password, which is very normal. Now lastly, we are going to get alerts about unrecognized login. This will be the last option to secure your account. Now here I've already chosen all the notification. There is some notification from Facebook, from Messenger, and from my email. So if someone is trying to connect to my email or my Messenger or my Facebook, they're going to send me a notification. If I'm not the one, I'll just click on no. So just to show you how it works, you will see that I've already chosen the notification. Firstly, initially it was don't get notification, so I've chosen a notification to be notified if someone tried to get in my account. And that will be all for this video. I think I've explained to you all the means, all the ways in order to secure your Facebook account. So if this video has pleased you, don't forget to like my video, to subscribe, and to click on the notification bell in order to have good videos. That will be the beginning of the English version of my content. I found it very necessary to do that since our country is bilingual. I've been doing the French version, so I found it to be discriminative if I don't do the English version. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.